Welcome to our Key Stage 1 prize giving assembly for Term 2. My name is Antonia Confaloni and I am the head of pre-prep. I can often be heard as saying that I have the best job in the world, and quite honestly, it really doesn't feel like a job. The privilege of being able to come to school every day and be part of the educational journey upon which your children travel is far more and far better than any job. This term has proved more than any other how fortunate we are to be able to come to school each day and spend the day with these children. When fatigue could have set in, when children may have struggled with blended learning or the restrictions that have been placed upon them, they've done the opposite. They have chosen not to focus on the things that were trickier, but rather focus on the bits that they can enjoy. They don't dwell on the things that are not good or not the same as before. They find happiness in the things that are good and are positive. As teachers, we are fortunate enough to be able to see the world through the eyes of children, and we can learn from them. We can take their lead and find happiness in the everyday. Year 1 began the term learning How Does Your Garden Grow? With the help of Jack and some very special beans. The children innovated this story and later independently applied all the skills that they had learnt over this topic to write some fantastic stories. The last few weeks have seen the much anticipated filming of the Bee musical, another new experience for our children during which they have been given the opportunity to shine. They have worked so hard on this production, and it's quite possibly the first ever prep school musical that has been filmed under COVID restrictions. You know that our teachers love a challenge, and following her trip to Cambodia 2 years ago, Miss Dean had a vision, made a proposal, and then took on this project in order to raise money for United World Schools. The Bee musical will be released after the spring break. Year 2 have enjoyed a fully packed term of learning with incredible progress across all subjects. A warning story with Little Red Riding Hood and a defeating the monster story with the enormous crocodile have produced some really impressive writing from our Year 2s. They have even managed to write some poetry using the descriptive language in The Wolf as model text. In maths, following multiplication and division, the children moved on to fractions and then time. Using a range of practical materials to bring these topics to life, children have been able to grasp these concepts effectively. They have also covered many science topics such as living and non-living things, plants and animals and their habitats. This was a favourite of mine, and I really enjoyed seeing the children create their own animal habitats. As we move on to our final term, life at school is beginning to feel more normal and routines are firmly in place. Our children have shown their growing learning dispositions both in school and online. I walk into classrooms every day and I witness children happily learning, engaged and motivated. This is due to the exceptional teaching staff that we have within our Key Stage 1 team. I would like to take this opportunity to publicly thank these teams, expertly led by Miss Dean and Miss McFall. They have adapted our curriculum to balance out the blended learning days, and this has been key in ensuring that the children continue to learn and reach the same aspirational standards as we have always had. More importantly, they have adapted the learning to ensure that children are still able to access the wider curriculum, have time for exploration and discovery at their own pace. My thanks once again reaches out to our fantastic community. Parents, you have supported us throughout. Prior to school closure, almost exactly a year ago, you were a huge part of our success. During school closure, you adapted along with us, helping us to develop our online provision. Now with blended learning, your ongoing partnership has strengthened and we have appreciated the trust that you have placed in us. So, enough from me. Let's move on to the bit that you really want to hear, the awards. There will be awards for each class, announced for Bookworm, Mathematician, Writer, and then Star of the Term. Further awards will also be announced for Artist of the Term, French Star, and Arabic Star of the Term. Remember children, you are all stars, even if you don't receive an award today.
Year 1, what a wonderful term it has been. We've had lots of challenges once again. We've moved to a different location, and of course we've been practicing the Bee musical, but once again you've showed us how resilient you are and made all of your teachers super proud, so thank you for that. Also, thank you to all of the parents. You've had to find costumes and practice songs and lines at home. You've had double the work as well as all the home learning as well, so thank you so much for all of your support. All of Year 1 can't wait to show you the finished product, and we hope you enjoy it. And last but not least, I want to say a huge well done to all of our prize giving winners this term. All of the teachers found it really, really difficult to choose because we're so proud of all of Year 1 this term. You've really, really worked so hard. So big well done to everyone and congratulations.
Let's begin with 1S, the Mathematician of the Term Award to Abdulrahman Al-Anazi. Well done, Abdulrahman. Writer of the term goes to Sarah. Well done, Sarah. Bookworm of the term, this goes to Ahmed. Well done, Ahmed. And now finally, for 1S, the Star of the Term. This child has been chosen as Star of the Term because she embraces every learning opportunity. Despite there being lots of changes to our daily and weekly routine this year, she has kept going and not given up. She is helpful towards others, and her wonderful personality brings a little extra sparkle to us all. Well done to Tilly. I have an Artist of the Term as well in 1S. Artist of the Term for the whole of reception goes to Tristan. Congratulations, Tristan. Now the awards for 1D. Miss Dean has chosen, for her Mathematician of the Term, Dania. Her Writer of the Term is Farwa. Well done, Farwa. Bookworm of the Term in 1D goes to Archie. And the Star of the Term. This child has been chosen for Star of the Term because Miss Dean and Miss Kiana cannot believe the progress he has made academically, socially, and with his behaviour. He has really matured, developed a wonderful love for learning, and he has also been working super hard at home with his family. Congratulations, Abdulrahman. We now move on to the certificates for 1P. Congratulations to the Mathematician of the Term in 1P, Ali. Well done, Ali. The Writer of the Term goes to Modu. The Bookworm of the Term in 1P, congratulations, Mariam. And finally in 1P, the Star of the Term. Let's see what Miss Pizzada has said. This Star of the Term goes to a child for her resilience towards challenges, as well as always being very honest and helpful in 1P. I've seen this little girl being helpful many, many times. Congratulations, Hawa. We now move on to 1A. Mr. McSteen has chosen this child to be his Mathematician of the Term. Well done to Khalid. The Writer of the Term, well done. This goes to Nathan. Mr. McSteen's Bookworm of the Term, congratulations, Zachariah. And finally, Mr. McSteen's Star of the Term. This child has made amazing progress this term with her attitude to learning and the work she has produced. I have been so impressed with her behaviour this term and how well she has welcomed the new children to our class. Mr. McSteen would like to say a very big well done to Mariam. Congratulations. Now finally for Year 1, I have two very special awards, the Arabic Star of the Term and the French Star of the Term. Let's begin with the Arabic Star of the Term. This goes to a child in 1D, and this is Nasa. Congratulations, Nasa. And now our French Star of the Term. This goes to a child in 1S. Congratulations, Tilly.
Wow, we've completed another fantastic term in Year 2. What a term it has been, with lots of fun and learning taking place. Myself, Mrs. Mohammed, Mrs. Newsom and Miss Nixon are extremely proud of each and every one of you for your hard work, effort and perseverance this term. In our eyes, you are all stars and we thank you for a fantastic term. Well done, Year 2. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the parents of Year 2 once again for your continuous support and cooperation during what has been another challenging but successful term. Without you, this would not be possible. Thank you, we really appreciate it.
And now we will find out who the awards are going to in Year 2. Let's begin with 2M. Congratulations to the mathematician of the term, Iman. The writer of the term is Al-Jude. Bookworm of the term goes to Nadine. And the star of the term in 2M. This is a child who is an enthusiastic and friendly member of the class, who always comes into the class with a big smile. He perseveres through all of his work and he has an amazing sense of humour. This child has shown amazing progress this term and Mrs. Mohammed is incredibly proud of you. So well done to Bada. We also have an artist of the term in 2M. This is one child who is chosen across the whole of Year 2. The artist of the term in Year 2 is Rauda. And now the awards for 2L. Miss McFall would like to say congratulations to the mathematician of the term, who is Devon. Writer of the term goes to Jolly Rose. Bookworm of the term, congratulations, Farhad. And finally, the star of the term in 2L. This goes to a child who has worked incredibly hard this term in all areas of his learning. He has truly shown our value of perseverance. This child is also an outstanding role model for behaviour and always makes excellent choices. Congratulations to the 2L star of the term, who is Jassim. Well done, Jassim. So now we move on to 2N. Mrs. Newsom has chosen this child to be her mathematician of the term. Congratulations, Naseba. Writer of the term in 2N is Jack. Bookworm of the term goes to Mashael. And finally, in 2N, the star of the term. This goes to a child who Mrs. Newsom says is always persevering. Regardless of the challenge, this child will try her best to complete a task. If she is unsure, she will always ask for help. And she does all of this with a big smile on her face. Congratulations to Judy. Well done, Judy. And finally, for Year 2, we have 2S. The mathematician of the term in 2S goes to Mohammed. The writer of the term in 2S has been awarded to Asma. And the bookworm of the term in 2S goes to Adam. Well done to all of you. And now the star of the term in 2S. Let's see who Miss Nixon has chosen. This child constantly shows a positive and enthusiastic attitude to everything he does. He shows resilience, independence, and risk-taking skills when faced with any task or challenge. He never gives up. Thank you for being such a hard-working member of our class. Miss Nixon would like to give her Star of the Term award to Farhad. Congratulations, Farhad. Our final 2 awards in Year 2 are our French Star of the Term and our Arabic Star of the Term. So our Arabic Star of the Term goes to a child in 2S, and that is Naif. Well done, Naif, in 2S. The French Star of the Term. This goes to a child in 2M. Well done to Kitty. And that concludes our Key Stage 1 prize giving assembly. We are about to enjoy a well-deserved break, so please relax, enjoy and recharge. We will see you back for our final term of the academic year. Have fun, everybody. We're back on Sunday, the 11th of April, and it will be a green group day. See you then.